Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add recorded voice in video. So if you decide to edit your video with a added your voice in it, so you can do it with any video editor that you can find in a Play Store or App Store. One of the video editor app that I'm usually use is the CapCut mobile version. So let's start by open CapCut. If you don't have it, you can try to install and download and install from Play Store or App Store. And let's start with new project, or if you have previously you had a project on CapCut, you can do it. The audio before. Here I already make a small edit like adding tags, add some small effect, and I want to add my voice, my recorded voice in this video edit. Here, if you tap on a add audio, you can find the last option is the record. Here where you can add your voice. You can tap record. Now you can tap or press and hold to record your voice. So again, you can tap on add audio on your project, and you can start add your voice by tap on record icon. Here you can tap or press and hold to record your voice. Even you can add your audio effects on it, and you can use enhanced voice to make it make your voice clear, and also a louder. Feel free to try to record your voice using this CapCut app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.